Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful, I am Aksa Samar, crew member of Community of Research and Development and General Secretary of AIRD. I am going to present paper titled as Classification of Multi-Class Cardiovascular Disorders using Ensemble Classifier and Impulsive Domain Analysis in IEEE Muhammad Ali Jinnah University Conference on Informatics and Computing 2021. Corresponding author of this paper is Misha Aruj Khan. Among others are Sayyida Zuriate Zehra, Arsalan Ishtiaq, Kawal Habib, and Tuba Gul. The contents of this paper are motivation, introduction, diagnosis, literature review, materials and method, results, discussion, conclusion, and references. Adults, children, and a bulk of people die as a result of cardiovascular disease. It has the highest mortality rate as it claimed the lives of more than 16 million people each year. Variety of cardiac vascular disorders, strokes, heart failure, and peripheral arterial diseases have momentous effects on the eminence of life. In 2017, the CVD's mortality rate claimed the lives of 17.8 million people globally. Nearly 80% of overall CVD death rates are in low and middle income countries. Patients suffering from CVDs have a low survival rate and are on the rise worldwide. Cardiovascular diseases include heart and blood vessel disorders which affect the heart's structure or normal functionality. These illnesses are usually linked to fatty deposits in the arteries, high stress levels, obesity, a decrease in physical activity, and bad nutrition also risk factors for heart disease. To successfully detect CVT, different personal health systems have been developed to improve detection and collection of data for clinical decision support. Usually ECG and heart sound (HS) auscultation are employed for CVD diagnosis. Precise and early diagnosis of cardiac disorders is of great importance that can be achieved through heart auscultation. Conventional detections and diagnosis of CVDs is done by methods which are quite expensive and whose results take some time, such as chest X-ray, electron beam computed tomography, cardiac MRI, EKG or ECG. A A PCG is a high-quality compilation of heart rhythm and mutterings. Therefore, PCG is a simple, accurate, ambient noise-free, non-obtrusive technique for the detection of different patterns in various CVGs. PCG signals can deliver significant information relevant to the performance of heart valves. Thus, it has potential for distinguishing several heart diseases. Normal heart sounds are low-frequency transient signals generated by the heart valves, whereas pathological heart sounds, such as heart murmurs, are high-frequency noise-like sounds. Heart murmurs are generated as a result of turbulence in blood flow through narrow cardiac valves or reflow through the atrioventricular valves. Authors in Paper 1 detected congenital heart disorders (VSDs, ASDs) using PCG signals MFCC SVM with 95.24% accuracy. Authors in 2 detected cardiovascular disease using PCG signal SVM with 88% accuracy. Authors in 3 detected cardiovascular disease using PCG signals AlexNet-CNN with 98% accuracy. Authors in 4 detected cardiovascular disease using PCG and ECG signals CNN SVM with 93% accuracy, whereas authors in 4 detected cardiovascular diseases using PCG signals SVM, DNN, KNN with 97% accuracy. The proposed methodology for cardiovascular disorder classification using PCG signals has been illustrated in block diagram of following figure. The framework model is made of four primary computational methods. To suppress the noise, the raw database from PCG sensor is applied by empirical mode decomposition. Now, a clean PCG database is obtained from pre-processed PCG signals. Following that, thresholding-based signal segmentation is used to isolate region of interest (ROI) from cleaned PCG signal. For feature extraction, we evaluated impulsive domain features such as impulse factor, crest factor, margin factor, and shape factor from the segmented signals. For detection and classification for cardiac disorders such as normal and extral subjects, these extracted features were fed to various kernels of KNN classifier. PCG signals were acquired using self-designed DT104 sensor interfaced with digital computing network. This low-cost sensor system shown in following comprises of a microphone embedded with a stethoscope that records cardiac sounds. These signals are acquired by a diaphragm of the stethoscope as transmitted to a sound card for analog to digital conversion at 44.1 kHz sampling frequency. We recorded these signals with a single channel electric microphone whose frequency range is 0 to 20 kHz. These signals are finally saved as .wav file in data repositories. PCG heart auscultations data is collected from hospitals such as Shifa International and Pakistan Institute of Medical Science (PIMS) for 20 normal and 20 extral subjects whose age lies in range of 35 to 60 years. 10 samples per subject have been recorded for 10 seconds durations. Total 400 samples were obtained from 40 subjects in several days. This table illustrates the data set collected for 40 subjects for this study. This figure demonstrates the raw PCG signals for normal and extral subjects in time domain. The EMD method involves multi-scale decomposition of signals into intrinsic mode functions, which is applied to non-linear and non-predictable signals by using shifting process. It is a common technique for analyzing biomedical signal. To denoise the raw PCG sensor data, this study applies EMD to decompose original signal into different components. This figure shows the decomposition of raw PCG signals into their respective IMFs. This figure shows the decomposition of raw extrals PCG signals into their respective IMFs. For extrals, PCG IMF1 contains 0 to 2.5 kHz, IMF2 contains 0 to 1.2 kHz, IMF3 contains 0 to 100 Hz, IMF4 contains 0 to 56 Hz, and IMF5 contains 0 to 30 Hz. This figure shows the accumulated sum of IMF2 to IMF5. We added IMF2 to IMF5 to preserve the low frequency part while segmented out the ambient noise and large frequency components. In order to separate the region of interest (ROI), we applied soft thresholding based signal segmentation to the proposed PCG. This shows the segmented and unsimilar parts of both classes. The iterative experimentation results in graphs show that lower peaks of signals are similar for both normal and extral subjects. However, high peaks contain useful data. Feature selection and extraction helps minimize the sum of obsolete contents in the database collection. This reduction allows the construction of the system with minimal endeavor by the system and thus increases the pace of the training phase and the generalization stages. Following parameters are used for feature extraction from segmented PCG signals. Impulse factor is the ratio for the comparison of signal's peak to mean level. Crest factor presents a ratio of peak value of pre-processed PCG signal to RMS value and used for earlier warnings of faults. Shape factor is expressed as ratio of RMS value of segmented signal to absolute value. Margin factor represents a ratio of maximum segmented PCG signal to absolute segmented PCG signal. KNN classifier is widely used in literature for binary and biomedical signal classification with high versatility, including brain and cardiac disorders. Ensemble KNN approach improves machine learning accuracy and efficiency by integrating multiple machine learning approaches into single classification algorithm. The combination of SF, IF, MF with KNN-SK scores the highest prediction accuracy of 98.8%. Subspace KNN-based classifier took 31.951 seconds to get trained on impulsive features with a prediction speed of 600 observations per second. Its misclassification cost is round about 5. The dimension of subspace is 2 and number of learners are 30. This figure shows the per-class confusion matrix of subspace KNN. This table This figure evaluates the performance of different classifiers combined with the selected features set such as cumulative accuracy. The best cumulative accuracy of 98.8% is achieved by SF-IF-MF combination. This table evaluates the performance of different classifiers combined with the selected feature set with false discovery rate (FDR), positively predicted values (PPV). These performance parameters are applied on different KNN classifiers such as boosted trees, KNN-BOT, backed trees, KNN-BAT, subspace discriminant KNN-SD, subspace KNN, KNN-SK, and RVS boosted trees KNN-RBT. This figure shows the scatter plots of extracted features in impulsive domain while performing prediction of KNN-SK. The key advantage of our methodology over previous studies is that they mostly used online database from FissioNet that was compiled using a costly tool. While we built a low-cost and portable system, since PCG signals are easily polluted by ambient noise, our method reliably conducts classification with significantly less distortion, which previously approach failed to do so. The proposed algorithm contains a fusion of EMD for ambient noise reduction, soft thresholding for signal segmentation, impulsive matrix for feature extraction such as impulse factor, crest factor, clearance factor, margin factor, and multiple ensemble-based classifiers for multi-class classification. Simulations on the current approach shows that the ensemble subspace KNN achieves the best classification cumulative accuracy of 98.8%, 97.56% sensitivity, and 99.99% specificity. Furthermore, the developed algorithm has a reduced computational impact and is completely compatible with minimal power embedded technology. This study's findings can pave the way of a new method for classifying heart disease using PCG signals. These are the references of the papers. Thank you so much for listening all.